We're making edible cookie dough.
And you can put anything in it you want. Peanut butter chips, white chocolate chips, different kinds of sprinkles.
We can make whatever we want.
What kind of cup is that?
I don't know. No. So I want you to do it because it's too sticky for me. Put this onto there.
Do you want to do it?
No.
Is that enough?
Yep. Pinch of salt. Wow, it's yummy. So it cannot be something else. That would be yucky.
Now we get to put in any toppings we want. Peanut butter chips?
Yep.
Regular chocolate chips.
Now we'll taste them.
These are white chocolate chips.
We'll put in 2 and we'll taste 2 of them.
Now, do you want these sprinkles or these sprinkles? You can pour all of them. Should we taste our treat? Are you going to be a cook when you grow up?
At a restaurant.
I thought you said you wanted to be a dog walker.
I'm gonna be all stuff. And dog care. Cookies are fun, but these are more than cookies.
I mean, lots of people like the dough better than cookies, so I don't blame you. Do you like sprinkles or chocolate chips more?
Chocolate chips.
Do you like cookies or cookie dough more?
Cookies and cookie dough.
Do you like getting tickled?
Not actually, but sometimes I like tickling you.
Are you going to tickle me right now?
Nope.
Okay. Phew. Last bites. Mmm.